The flux has been applied. The valve is ready to be installed.
Wait, I don't flux the inner pipe, right?
I
No.
don't think so. Like that. Bingo.
First time.
We and Ryan.
Alright, camera.
Is that valve straight how you want it? I think it's a little out myself, but
Oh, you mean this way, for a second.
that looks
Yeah,
right.
no, that's fine.
Mine now.
Nothing. I should have had chooch by now.
I would think. A little hot, eh?
No, but why shut off?
Take two. Looks like we got it now. We got to solder with the valve open. That's all it was.
Give me that rag.
Yeah. Oh. Yeah, look at this chooch coming out of there.
Damn it.
About the noise, but it's soldered. Not a great looking job, but it's the first one we ever did, so water is back on here. It's shut here. It does not leak, so it's soldered. That's all we needed. Now we're just going to put a piece back in here, and that's going to be it for today. And then I guess, what are you going to fuck around with this tomorrow some more?
We'll see. I'll see what it looks like outside since I jammed it in there.
So Joe might fuck around with this tomorrow, and obviously he'll probably set his camera up on time lapse.
No,
So that way you could see me solder.
she's off tomorrow, so she'll
Ah.
be able to tape.
We're going to solder that in a minute, but we're just going to cut the piece of pipe that is needed to go between here and here, like that, to kind of hold everything together, and then we'll solder up the other two joints. Oh, the fitment. Look at the fitment. Whoopsie. So we got the coupler and the pipe running down to the ball valve. And we're soldering that in. Some more fitment. Mobic.
Not bad.
No?
Just unroll me a little bit more. Is this water run?
That the main valve down there is shut, so everything should be osha kosha bagosha. Should be. As opposed to Oshkosh Bagosh, it's Osha Kosha Bagosha. Looks very nice. Still have faucets open upstairs, but we'll see if we get any leaks down here. Water flows again. Well, you got to shut the faucets off and make sure that with the extra pressure.
Right. Well,
but so far, I mean, not too bad, not too bad. Uh-oh.
what?
Oh, we got a leak here.
Do we?
Yeah.
Where?
It looks like the fucking valve itself.
Oh, yeah?
May have overheated it, possibly.
Hmm.
All right. With the faucets off. Still leakage, but it's coming from the valve itself, so either it's cooked or we'll just try tightening it, but I don't know, or it's just a China valve. Could be. Just exchange it quick and good to go.
Right.
A little nut there that may have just had a little thermal.
It was just loose.
Oh, no shit. Okay.
Should I tighten it or?
Well,
Let me just show you how tight it is. Right.
I'd say right there is fine. Slam the valve handle back on there, operate it without putting the nut back. Don't bother with the nut.
Right.
And just see if it, what, is it right?
I know it's cold, but I'm so
I'm
fucking
afraid that it's hot.
right.
Just open it slowly.
This is not even on. Oh, it does sit on. It's just a different lip.
Looks good now.
I know there was just a little drip though. Like a very, very small drip.
Okay, we'll wipe it off, we'll watch it.
I think I'm just gonna
And just
like,
barely.
just.
Yeah. Fucking China valve. Yeah, that definitely moves through. Alright, well the soldering worked.
Right, it's almost like, you know, you say to yourself, really?
No more leaks. Just had to tighten this up. I think it was just the thermal expansion and contraction between the pipe being so hot, possibly us overheating it, and then the cold water contracting everything. So just tighten that nut ever so slightly. Slam the washing machine on and off a couple times. No more leaks. Absolutely perfect. Put the handle back on, a couple straps. Call her a day for now. Any more on the copper pipe syndrome will be on X281X's channel, because I gotta fucking work tomorrow, fucking bastards. So anyway, that'll do it for this one. Make sure you hit like, make sure you hit subscribe, and shit, we actually learned something today. How about that? Take care, we'll see you next time. Bye bye.